Let's install a WIXEY digital readout. Remove the old scale and install a leveling foot to bring the readout level with your planer bed. Now you're going to remove the spring and the adhesive tape on the back and apply it over the old scale flush with the inside edge. Drill your new holes with the bit and hardware provided. Reinstall the spring and remove the leveling foot. Install the first bracket on the old holes for the old scale. Drop your readout and install the second bracket to connect the two. Set the depth stop on your planer to a known dimension, I chose 1 inch, and then set your readout to that dimension on its scale. Put your batteries in and remove the protective film. Next I ran a piece of pine through until the knives were no longer registering and I reached my 1 inch depth stop. Now use this board to calibrate your readout. Set the board on the bed and raise the spring-loaded scale into place. Now you'll push the calibrate button for 3 to 5 seconds until it registers 0, which is actually 1 inch. So now you set the scale to true 0 and it should read 1 inch or really close to 1 inch, right? Now grab some digital calipers and check how close it is. I would say it was pretty close.